I did this simple Diwali look. Let's learn to create the dewy base. But first, let's swatch this foundation and concealers. This is from Forever 52. At first, we have caramel, fudge, French toast, and honey. Next, we have concealers, chestnut, golden tan, mandel. Quick tip, always match your foundation close to the jawline. Now, let's do the base. Always shake the bottle. And remember to start with less product. Warming up the product is really important. And if you want a natural finish, always apply with your fingers. I love using my hands when I do my own makeup using a damp beauty blender. It's time for spot concealing. It's important to be precise and use only when needed. Let me share another secret hack. Take any lipstick or a cream blush. Now add the concealer. This is going to give you the most beautiful finish with a blush. I'm applying with a finger and then going with the blender. This is one of my favorite hacks. I'm setting my face with a powder, adding a little bit of blush and contour. I missed filming the part where I apply the highlighter. I use the same palette and I use a beauty blender. Now let's lock everything. And just like that, we are done. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll show you how to do this eyeliner look. Until then, take care and have a safe Diwali. And please be mindful of the animals around you.